Hey, guys. Trying out this new filter. I love playing around with this stuff. I just got downloaded Snapchat on my phone maybe last month or a couple of months ago. I've just been playing around with that, but this is just so cool. I don't know what is it with me. I just get tickled over the semblance of things. But I just wanted to come on here a little bit just to ask you, how much time would you spend each day for a lifetime of success? So as you all know, I started with online marketing a couple months ago. And, I joined through the Wi-Fi wealth system, and it's a really great system, a free opportunity, and I'm just really happy to be a part of it. I'm just really looking forward to really great success with it. And, I just wanted to invite you guys to, be a part of it, to do your research, to join me in it. I am currently building my team, and just looking for motivated individuals who's just ready to rock it out. But literally, I spend a couple hours a day just staying focused on, building my business with MCA, and just gaining so much knowledge. So over the past couple of weeks, I've just been tuning in to different webinars and just tuning in to different trainings and just all kinds of things to just help me to just gain more knowledge in this industry. This is something that I never would have thought that I would have been a part of, but I really like it. It keeps me busy. It just definitely just helps me just come to a different place, because I'm no longer able to do what I used to do. So it's just really helping me to just come to a different place. And it's just really something that I'm just really, really enjoying. So I just wanted to just come on here and, let you know, even if you are still working like a 9-to-5 job, right now, this is something that you can tune into, start building the blocks up to, something better. If you're looking for something better, if you're, tired of your job, or, you're just looking to get into something that can overall just help you financially more in the future, this is really a good opportunity. Like I said, I am a part of the Wi-Fi wealth system, and ever since joining them, that team, I've just been introduced to other income streams. So I'm just really, really excited. And even though I'm just 2 months in, I'm just really excited to everything that it has to offer. And, I just invite you guys to, come on a part of my team and get started. My mentor, Angie Long, and just other people who have been in the business a little bit longer with MCA are just totally rocking it out. And I'm just really excited to get to that point in my life, because I'm telling you, it is life changing when you see these commissions start rolling in about for $2,000 and $3,000 every single Friday. It gets you excited, and I am really excited, and I'm tuning in to everything that everything that I can learn to get to that point. So like I said, if you're interested, in this opportunity, send me a message, let me know, if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them, but I would be happy to have you on my team and just to help you build financial success as well, because it is just truly something that is changing people's lives forever. I mean, people are going from zero to, $2,000 to $3,000 every single Friday. So that's how good it is. And I'm just tuning in to everything that it has to offer. Like I said, all you need is a couple hours each day. If you are still working a full-time job, all you need is a couple hours each day, to dive into it, to start setting your stuff up, start, getting yourself out there, don't have fear, because a year ago, I never would have pictured myself doing this. This is something totally new to me, and I'm shy. But I just realized, like, a couple months ago that I just wanted different. I wanted, so much better, that than the 9-to-5 job had to offer me. So, I'm just bringing this to you. So, if you're interested, send me over a message. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me, because I will answer questions. I'll be real with you. Like I said, in my other lives, you won't get rich quick overnight, but as you continue to build your knowledge, like right now, I am like just knowledge building, and I'm telling you, it is so many great opportunities for online marketing, like you don't even know. So I'm just really excited to everything that this opportunity has to offer me and has to offer other people, and I just want to share it. I want to spread the word, because guys, open up your eyes. There is so much more out there than your 9-to-5 job. It really is. So if you have financial goals or dreams that you want to get to, this is a really great opportunity. There's a lot of different opportunities out there, but this is really a great opportunity that I feel really positive about, and then I'm just excited to be a part of. So, like I said, if you're interested, send me an inbox. If you would please share this video, for other people that might, be struggling on their jobs, who want to know of a better way, just go ahead and share this video so that they can tune in too, and then they can find me on Facebook and they can message me. But I just wanted to share this today, and I'll probably be back on tomorrow. So I hope you guys have a great evening, and I'll see what cool masks they have on here tomorrow. All right, have a good evening. Bye bye.